I personally like Cebu Pacific Air, so I'll just search for their Facebook page, then click at the three button at the right side of the screen, following, and then make default your C first so you can easily be notified with their seat sale alerts. In Cebu Pacific mobile app, you can start by just clicking Book a Flight. In this page, you have an option to choose a round trip or a one-way flight, and then search for the destination you want to go to. After that, select the date you want to depart and return. While choosing the date of your travel, you can also have an overview of the fare price you will book. The blue ones are the lowest fares of the month. Now you're done with the travel date, you have to select how many of you are traveling. After you click the search flight, it will take you to this page wherein you have to select what time you want to take for your flight. What I also love about this is you can save your details in the app, and then you can just opt to select yes, fill in my details, and then it will fill up completely all the data needed for the booking. Next page will give you the option to select any add-ons you want. The seat selector is auto-generated, but if you're not that choosy with your seats in the flight, you can just remove it so it will lessen the price or the total price of your fare. To remove the seat pre-assigned to you, you can just click on Edit and then search for your initials in the seat plan. And then once you have searched for it, you can just untick it, do the same for the return flight, and then click on Continue. At this moment, they are offering CebFlexi, wherein you can rebook your ticket up to 2 times for free. Every booking already have 7 kg prepaid baggage, but you can also opt to add up to 40 kilograms at a certain amount. You can also add a meal in your flight by clicking Ceb Meals. You'll just have to pay a certain amount for each meal. If you also want to get insured within your flight, you can also click on Ceb Travel Sure and pay a certain amount. Once done with the add-ons, you can now proceed to the payment. This page will give you the summary of your booking, and it is important to review it first before you continue to pay. You have 4 options to pay your booking. You can use your credit card. You can also use the Get Go points. These are the points you have collected from your previous booking. You may also pay through PayPal, or you can just choose the payment centers. If you will book with the first 3 payment options, your booking will be immediately confirmed. While for the payment centers, they will just hold it for 24 hours, and once you have paid for it in the centers provided, and then they will confirm it. Once you're done, you can see your booking at the top of your screen under My Upcoming Flights. You can open it to manage your booking or to check your itinerary. And that's it!